What's up, YouTube? It's Xander789123 here. Stop looking at me like that. You're getting me all embarrassed. Bringing you another video. This is a bike check update. Yeah. Stop looking at me, because I haven't done one in time. So let's start off with the front of the bike, because yeah, why not? That's the front of the bike. I've got new grips. Aron Ross keyboard grips. With Odyssey power ends on Fly Lunar bars. Got my stock salt stem still my same Odyssey head spec. Yes, man. I got Odyssey bright orange CS2 race forks. The G Sport Marmoset Harbour Lace 2 and Odyssey Hazard Light with feminine axle. Still my With the People Arcade frame with my Mankind 28 tooth Respect Sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy half link, Salt stock cranks, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals but brown clear, Animal clear bottom bracket, the same Federal Free Coaster version 2 hub with my Alienation Delinquent rim, with an Odyssey Path tire 2.1 in the back, 2 G Sport hub guards, yes, Odyssey pegs, chrome pegs, green wide there. My hand tied sit cuffs. And yeah, give this video a like for the bike. That rhymes. And stop looking at me like that.